Alright, so we are in TestOut and we'll check our tags on the left pane. And our tag says access the hardware bench for repair shop, examine the motherboards and answer the following question. How does the bottom slot differ from the other white slots? On computer 1, how does the notch position on the expansion card identify the type of BUS slot it fits into? On computer 2, on computer 1 on the left, install VGA PCI card, install the PCI X network card, and on computer 2, install HDMI PCIe video card, install the PCIe network adapter. So let's go into our workbench. This is our workbench, and let's enter our workbench. Let's get into the workbench. So we have two computers, and on the first computer, what we have to do is to computer 1, install VGA PCIe video card, and we have to install PCIe network card. So two things we're installing here: video card, network card. So let's go to our video card, and this is where our RAM slots are, and this is where our expansion card are. So we'll take a video card here, PCIe video card. This is a PCIe video card, and this is a PCIe video card also. And this has VGA. This has a VGA. So this is what we're installing here. Okay, so this fits in, and then let's go to our network adapter. We'll check the network adapter we to install is PCI X. So let's say this is PCI X, this is PCIe, but this is what you have to install. So we install it. So we install this. So we go over to System 2, and for System 2 we have to install HDMI PCIe video card. So let's go to our video card, and this is it here. So we go to the expansion slot for it. No, this is not the right slot. So this is it. And then we install our PCIe network adapter. We install our PCIe network adapter, so we scroll over to our network adapter here. There's only one left. No, that's not the spot. Alright, so this is done. So let's go over to the answers. We've all done. Our tasks are complete, so we'll go ahead and you can see 4 over 400%. Go ahead and score. Yeah. So this is done. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.